A serious fight between the snake, the bees, and birds who win. Nature has no villains, only consequences. A giant snake silently climbs the tree, its target, a nest full of helpless birds. The birds panic. No escape. The predator is seconds away. But the snake made one fatal mistake. This tree wasn't empty. It was home to bees. From every direction they swarmed, stinging without mercy, defending their home. The snake retreats, justice delivered by the smallest warriors. In nature, even giants can fall when unity fights back. Follow and subscribe for more real-life science, animals, and nature facts.